Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mgaro Travel, your go-to guide for all things travel, relocation, and visa related. If you're here, you're probably staring at a long visa checklist, a stack of confusing paperwork, and wondering, where do I even start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate visa applications like a pro with clear practical tips that can seriously increase your chances of success. Let's get into it. The first step, and the most important, is understanding the exact visa category you need. Are you applying for a tourist visa, a student visa, a temporary work permit, a spouse or dependent visa? Visit the official embassy or immigration website of the country you're applying to. Look for the visa section and carefully read the eligibility criteria, required documents, processing times, and fees. Each country has slightly different rules, and even within the same country, there may be multiple visa subclasses. Don't assume, do your homework. Now let's talk about documents, the real foundation of your visa application. Every visa type has its own list of requirements, but here's a universal checklist to keep in mind. Valid passport with at least 6 months before expiration, completed visa application form, passport-size photos with correct dimensions, proof of travel itinerary or flight reservation, proof of accommodation, proof of financial means, bank statements, income proof, travel or health insurance, and a cover letter explaining the purpose of your visit. If a document is in a language different from the country's official language, you'll likely need a certified translation. Always check that detail. One of the biggest reasons for visa rejection: insufficient or unclear financial proof. Most embassies want to see that you can support yourself during your stay, without becoming a financial burden on their system. Recent bank statements, 3 to 6 months, pay slips, sponsorship letters, if someone else is funding your trip, tax returns, or employment contracts. Avoid sudden large deposits before applying. They look suspicious. Show steady income and realistic savings based on your planned travel. Not all visa types require a cover letter, but when they do, it's a golden opportunity to clarify your intentions. Purpose of travel, duration of stay, places you plan to visit or live, how you will fund the trip, and a statement of return or onward travel intentions. Keep it professional but personal, be honest. Visa officers read thousands of these, so make yours clear and easy to understand. For some visa types, especially work, student, or immigrant visas, an in-person or virtual interview is part of the process. Why are you visiting this country? Do you plan to return to your home country? How will you support yourself? Who are you visiting or staying with? Be calm, respectful, and consistent with your documentation. Nervous? Practice with a friend. The interviewer just wants to make sure you're genuine and well prepared. Another pro-level move: apply at the. Most countries recommend applying at least 4 to 6 weeks before your departure date, but some take longer. Many embassies now allow you to track your application status online. Sign up for updates if that's an option, and never book non-refundable tickets until you have your visa. Submitting incomplete forms, giving inconsistent answers, uploading blurry or low-resolution documents, forgetting to sign your application, booking travel too early, ignoring email updates from the embassy, lying or submitting fake documents. This will get you banned, possibly forever. Double-check your entire application you hit submit or attend your appointment. Ask someone to review it if possible. And there you have it, your full guide to navigating visa applications like a seasoned pro. It's all about preparation, honesty, and attention to detail. Remember, a visa isn't just about a destination. It's about proving your purpose, your plans, and your ties to your home country. Drop your questions in the comments, or let me know which country you're applying to and I'll make a guide for that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Safe travels, and may your passport get all the stamps it deserves.